Hello everyone. Today we will do proof of a theorem. So the theorem is prove that two right triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. So here I have taken two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and both the triangles are right triangles. A right triangle means a triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree. So here in triangle ABC, angle B is of 90 degree, and in triangle DEF, angle E is of 90 degree. Now it's given in the theorem that if the hypotenuse means the side opposite to the right angle. So in triangle ABC, AC is hypotenuse, and in triangle DEF, the opposite side to the right angle is DF. So DF is our hypotenuse. And one side of one triangle, you may take any one side of the triangle AB and DE, but I have taken BC and EF. Any one side you can take. So I have taken that BC is equal to EF, and we have to prove that two triangles are congruent. We have to prove the congruency between these two triangles. So we can prove the congruency between these two triangles by various ways. So I am using SSS congruency rule. SSS stands for side, side, side. So two sides we know hypotenuse are equal and BC and EF are also equal. So we have to prove that AB is equal to DE. Then we can easily prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SSS congruent rule. So first of all, we will mention that what is given in the theorem. So given, first thing is given that angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Both are of 90 degree because both the triangles are right triangles. Now, the second thing is given that hypotenuse are equal. AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF because both are hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse of triangle ABC and DF is hypotenuse of triangle DEF. Now the third thing is BC is equal to EF. It is also given in the theorem that any one side of the triangle is equal. So I have taken BC and EF. Okay. Now the next thing is what we have to prove. So to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So now let's prove it. So prove. So we will prove the congruency between triangle ABC and DEF by using Pythagoras theorem. As you know that according to Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse in a right triangle, the hypotenuse square will always be equal to the sum of perpendicular square and base square. So first we will take triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of perpendicular square and base square. So here the hypotenuse is AC. So AC square will be equal to, the perpendicular is AB square plus BC square. And we have to prove that AB is equal to DE. So from here, we will find out the value of AB. AB square will be equal to AC square minus BC square. So let us name it equation 1. Now, similarly, we will do with triangle DEF. Now, we will write in triangle DEF by Pythagoras theorem, here also the hypotenuse square, that is DF square, will be equal to the sum of DE square and EF square. So write here DE square plus EF square. And from here we have to find out the value of DE. So write DE square will be equal to the difference between DF square and EF square. So DF square minus EF square. Now let us name this equation 2. Now in equation 1, that is AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Now we will substitute the value of AC and BC in this equation. So write here, substituting the value of AC and BC in equation 1. We get that AB square will be equal to, now in place of AC we will write DF. So write DF square, and in place of BC we will write EF square. Okay, name this equation 3. Now from equation 2 and 3 we will observe that right hand side of both the equations are equal. Here also DF square minus EF square, and here also DF square minus EF square. So left hand side will also be equal. So DE square will be equal to AB square. So right here from equation 2 and 3, or by comparing these two equations, we get that DE square will be equal to AB square, and when the square of two sides are equal, then those sides will also be equal. This implies that DE will be equal to AB. So now we have proved that AB and DE are also equal. AC is equal to DF, it was given earlier, and BC is equal to EF, it was also given in the theorem, and the third side we have proved. So now we can easily prove the congruency. Therefore, now in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, AC is equal to DF, it's given. BC is equal to EF, it is also given, and AB is equal to DE. This we just proved above. Okay, here we have proved that DE is equal to AB. Now this means triangle APC will be congruent to triangle DEF. F, because now all the three sides of triangle ABC are equal to all the corresponding three sides of triangle DEF. So always mention that by which rule these two triangles are congruent. By SSS, congruency rule. Okay. So now at last mention that we have proved this. Hence proved that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SSS congruency rule. Thank you.